Right, so I had the Keychron K3 for about a month now, and these are my socks. So first of all, the shipping wasn't too bad. It took about 2 weeks, which is basically the same for like any other shipping, unless you have like some Amazon Prime or something. But yeah, it's shipped from China to here, which I live in the US right now. So yeah, the build quality I think is pretty good. So it's the top part just made out of this like metal, but unfortunately the bottom is made out of plastic, and I think that's because like it's needed for Bluetooth to go through plastic. But yeah, the top is just like aluminum, and I feel like it's pretty thin, but it makes it look pretty clean. And yeah, I think the design of it looks really clean and minimal, unlike some of those like Logitech keyboards that look, and like other keyboards that look a bit too gamery, I would say. I got the RGB version, and RGB, like I thought I wouldn't like it too much, but I think it looks pretty cool actually, and it's just like pretty fun to play with like all the different types of like colors and stuff. But the thing is that it's not too bright. If you just look at it, yeah, this is the full brightness, and this is currently I'm shooting this at 2 p.m. But at night it looks really good. I wish there were like either like more ways to customize the colors, or more ways to like make the colors a bit muted or pastel-ish, like not fully saturated and vibrant, because I think I would like that more, but unfortunately there's no software or any customization options. But yeah, I would think it is pretty good. Okay, another thing I should mention is that if you go to the white option, like there isn't a separate LED for white, it just turns on all of them at the same time. And if you look at it, it looks slightly pink. So yeah, the white is not completely accurate, but there is a white option. And the typing experience, I would say, is pretty good. I got the white switches mostly because I like how clean they looked, and basically like I feel like the RGB just shines through it better. But people were recommending me to get the brown switches, and yeah, so when I first got this keyboard, I actually didn't really like how it felt, and it just doesn't like feel good. But now I think I got used to it, and I like it more than my other keyboards. Yeah, and I thought like it would be lighter than this, but you still need to like push on it to press it. Obviously, like I thought it's not like you can just tap in it and just press. But yeah, it's 30 grams, and that's, I don't know if you can get an impression of how that feels like, but that's how it feels like. Yeah, and here's a short typing sound. So in conclusion, I would say that this is a pretty good keyboard, and I do recommend you get it. So what I like about it is the typing experience and the build quality, which I think it looks really good. So yeah, those are definitely pros. And the things that I don't like are not that much, but mainly that the battery life isn't great. I have to charge it without the light backlight turned on about once every 2 days or so. So yeah, the battery life is a bit worse than like other switches, and I did notice that there's a bit of key repeat. So like every, I don't know, once in a while, like 2 days or something, I suddenly just like press a letter and it just presses 10 times like that. It like repeats it 10 times. And I'm not sure if that's because of my computer or because of the keyboard, but that does exist. But I would say that it happens too rarely to like actually matter for you. And the price of this keyboard is $75 without the RGB, and $85 with it, I believe. It's currently sold out on like everywhere now, but I would say if you wait a few months, it's probably going to be available on Amazon, where you can buy it there. So that's basically it. And thanks for watching the video. And